Evie, do you know what this is?
Yeah.
It's to store your underwear. Evie, what are we doing today?
Organize bedroom.
Organizing her bedroom. Does it need it? Majorly needs it. If you missed our last video where we organized Evie's sister's Camille's bedroom, we started organizing Eve's bedroom as well and cleaning it, but we only got like a fourth of the way done. So yeah, we'll show you what her bedroom looks like. Before we get started, I'll show you what Evie's bedroom currently looks like. We have the clothes that we've been organizing all over the floor. Some hangers here, which I didn't get any new hangers because of the quarantine, so we're just going to have to work with what we have. I don't know if I have enough to make it like all white hangers, or else I might try to do rainbow color hangers. We'll see how that goes. Here, this is just unorganized with extra pillows and blankets. You might have heard me talk about this in previous videos, but I want to organize this bookshelf according to rainbow colors to make it look more organized. There's my beautiful daughters who are going to help out.
And a cat under the bed.
There's a cat under the bed. That's great. That's just normal in our house. More clothes. Yeah, I think there is literally a cat under the bed. George, meet our cat George wherever he's at. He likes to hide from Eve. Why do you think he likes to hide from you?
That's why.
Is he afraid of you a little bit? Yikes. And then here is Evie's wonderful toy closet. As you can see, we have our work cut out for us. When you have such a big project like this, it can definitely feel overwhelming. So I decided that I'm going to do like a step-by-step process, have a plan, and just, go step by step and not try to get too overwhelmed. So our first step is to handle the clothing situation. We're going to look through the clothes, figure out which clothes fit her, which ones are out of season. Maybe we'll pack those ones away that are out of season right now. And then we'll clean. We're going to clean. Okay. Does it sound like I'm overwhelmed? Okay, we'll clean the inside areas of the drawers, because how often do you have a chance to actually clean the inside of the drawers? We're going to do that, and then we're going to put the clothing back in. Here we go.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
I'll talk you through a little bit about what I'm doing right now. So I've organized all the clothes, first of all, by type. So I have the shorts in one area, the t-shirts in one area, and then here's the pants that I've been folding. And then I'm further organizing the clothes by colors. So blues, multicolored, everything like that. So that way when I go to put it back into the dresser, I can color code it. Finally, I'm done with the dresser. It took a long time. I'll talk you through what I did. So in this area here with the pajamas and the socks, I got these organization containers. I got them from Amazon. I'll put links down below in the description box of what they are. I am really happy with them. Hopefully they will help continue to keep the clothes organized. And while you're down in the description box, I'll post links to other videos that I've done, organization and cleaning videos. And if you like this video and other videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me know what kind of content I should be producing, if I should be doing more organizing, more cleaning, more cooking, more dieting videos. And also, while you're there, of course, I would love it, and it's free to subscribe to me. So hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of future videos, because we have a lot more organization, cleaning, homemaking videos coming up. So back to what I did here. As I said, I have the pajamas in this container here, socks, which Evie doesn't have too many socks, and then we have more pajamas. We get a lot of hand-me-downs, so it is really nice. But yeah, we have a lot of clothes. This is the underwear container, and then I put tights in it as well. And then way in the back, I have the swimsuits. And we have a lot of extra space. The KonMari method is how I've folded everything, and it definitely does allow for a lot more space. Down here, we have short sleeves and dresses, and I don't have a separating container, so I hope to get one soon. But I just cut up a cardboard box for now to keep them separated, and that's down there. Up here, this one's pretty full, and I tried to organize it a little rainbow-like. Here's all Evie's pants. And then up here, we have long sleeve shirts and more long sleeve shirts, but there's extra space there in case we need to grow. That's always key. You don't want to be like packed to the brim, right? And then here are Evie's shorts. Next on the agenda, the closet. And let me tell you, it's another big project. Are you ready to see the new and improved closet? So I'll talk you through a little bit about what I did here. First of all, I found all the clothes that weren't in season and took them out. Then I put all of the more shirts, and I got these separators here. And I put the shirts that I'm going to have in here more in black. And then I tried as best as I could to color code all of the hangers, but I just didn't have the right ones. So eventually I'll just get all the same colored hangers for here. Here's the skirts with the little separator that says skirts. And then here are all of the summer clothes. Then up above, I stuck her hats along with a basket that has more hats and purses in it and her jewelry box. So next up, I'm just going to clean this area down here since I have everything out. Next up is the part I've been dreading the most, the dreaded toy room. The hard part is there are so many like big toys that it's hard to figure out where I put everything. Here we go. Camille, what do you think so far?
I love my relaxing couch.
relaxing couch. We have these big pieces, as I mentioned before, that are hard to figure out what to do with them. But I tried to space stuff evenly, and so far I'm really impressed. So in this big white bag, I put a bunch of dolls and stuffed animals. Truthfully, my girls don't play with them that much. So I did put them in that big white bag instead. We have this. I put a bunch of different smaller toys, and I took like these diapers for the baby alive out of the packaging and put it in here, and that saved a ton of space. Sometimes just taking stuff out of packaging can save a ton of space. And then I use these brown boxes to put different games in, which my girls love playing, and I love that they play with them. The blocks, and then I was able to collapse a lot of stuff into this corner right here, as well as as long as I organized it appropriately. So we have these things. I put everything back where they belong here, and I'm gonna make some labels to put on these. And then up here, I wanna just like add a little flavor and decorate that area. So we'll be doing that next. What I'm gonna use to decorate are these 4 animal pictures I got at Dollar General for like super cheap. They were like a couple dollars each. And when I got them, I had one of those like bad purchases where I don't know where I'm going to put these exactly. I thought in the kids' room, but then it didn't really work in the kids' room, and I wanted to do something a little bit fancier. But I think it will add a lot of flavor and just make it more fun for the girls in the playroom. Now, Camille, I have a little confessional. People may be wondering like where some of the big stuff went. Well, we had these like big puzzle pieces that were taking up a ton of space, and I may have pulled the old trick of hiding it under the bed. But I do think, under the bed can be a good place to hide stuff, especially if it doesn't show and you have an easy way to take it out. Or if it does show a little bit, get a cute basket, right? Invest a few dollars in a cute basket. So since I started organizing Eve's bedroom, they've been playing with their toys a lot more, which I always find after I organize them, and they know where all their toys are and what they exactly have. I think they forget what toys they have. So Eve, are you gonna keep your bedroom organized now?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to do it by yourself? One way I am hoping to help you out a little bit is I'll put words on there. We're gonna put labels, something you call labels in your bedroom, and then it'll say what belongs where, okay? Camille?
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she said that she.
So there we have it. Done. That feels good to be done. And I hope it gave you some motivation to get a cleaning or organizing project accomplished that you had on your to-do list. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I would also appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the bell down below to join this Real Housewife YouTube family. I have a lot of more organizing, cleaning, homemaking, and cooking and dieting videos coming up. Talking about that though, I would like to hear what types of videos you would like to see. Please comment down below what you would prefer, or if you have any suggestions for organizing a space. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and happy organizing, everyone.